Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how you can turn off hints in Candy Crush Saga. If you want to turn off hints on Candy Crush Saga, then the first thing you want to do is to open up Candy Crush Saga app on your device, and from the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the settings menu, tap on accessibility. You will then be able to see several other options such as hints, flashing effects, and grayscale board. To turn off hint, toggle off the button right next to hints and make sure that it turns gray. After you close this setting, your change will be saved automatically, and while playing the game, this will disable the hints and stop the game from highlighting moves when you pause for a few seconds while playing Candy Crush Saga. So that's how you easily turn off hint on Candy Crush Saga. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.